Well, my friends, this is the case of a patient aged about 3 years. এখন থেকে সব পেশেন্টদের বাচ্চাদেরকে আর চাইল্ড বলছি না। ইউটিউবে চিলড্রেন শব্দ থাকলে একটা সেন্সিটিভ কি ব্যাপার আছে, তাদের নাকি কী সব আইন কানুন লঙ্ঘন হয়, সে ভিডিওগুলো দেখি বেশিরভাগ ক্যান্সেল করে দিচ্ছে। তাই শুধু এজ দিয়েই বলবো, এজড অ্যাবাউট 3 years of a patient having developed sudden vomiting with turning of the head on side, একদিকে ঘাটটা কাত হয়ে যায়, বমি করে। So naturally this symptom is related to brain. It may be meningitis or encephalitis or something wrong in the brain. যখন বমি করছে, ঘাটটা বেঁকে যাচ্ছে, হাঁটতে পারছে না, so they consulted with the pediatrician and pediatrician examined CT scan followed by MRI. And the MRI revealed that it is a case of astrocytoma. Astrocytoma, cystic astrocytoma, which compressed to the ventricle forms communicating hydrocephalus and periventricular interstitial edema. So no doubt a very serious case. Now what is astrocytoma and hydrocephalus? I have repeatedly told in many of my videos, these are nothing but the growths within the brain, arising from the brain tissue, and they are divided into two groups, benign and malignant. Benign are non-cancerous, while malignant are cancerous. The benign brain tumors are craniopharyngioma, pituitary adenoma, acoustic neuroma, meningioma, etc. And the malignants are glioma. The other name is glioblastoma. Other name is astrocytoma. And other forms are oligodendroglioma, medulloblastoma, ependymoma, etc. Now this is diagnosed as astrocytoma. This is diagnosed as astrocytoma. So astrocytoma is a type of brain and spinal cord tumor which are generally malignant in nature. It begins in cells called the astrocytes, and that's why called astrocytoma, that support nerve cells. Some astrocytomas grow very slowly and others can grow very fast, aggressively. So the growth of the cells that starts in the brain or spinal cord is the astrocytoma. In the medical science, modern medical science, surgery is the main goal of treatment. If the tumor cannot be completely resected, there may be chance of formation once again. So surgery generally follows radiation or chemotherapy. Radiation may help control the growth of the tumor and most often used following surgery. Life expectancy of a astrocytoma depends on the tumor's grade, size, location, and other factors. Now the parents went to the Institute of Child Health, one of the prestigious institute for children diseases at Calcutta. and they have sent the case to a private nursing home contracted for operation. And the nursing home demanded more than 5 lakh rupees, and they started burglary, and by following instruction upon junior homeopath, they have come to me. So it is the high time to me to prescribe homeopathic medicines to show again the efficacious result of homeopathic medicines for this astrocytoma case of this poor child. Now there is vomiting, headache, catches cold very easily, aversion to bath, profuse sweats, biting tendency. So aversion to bath, obstinate, biting tendency, history of vomiting, etc. The cardinal symptoms of this child on which my medicine will be selected. চান করতে খুব একটা চায় না। Aversion to bath. Generally, the children in the hot weather, summer was already started. The child has aversion to bath. If you go through the repertory, aversion to bath, Amonkar, antimicrobe, sulfur, etc. are the main medicines. The child is very obstinate, and child doesn't like to look at him or anyone touch him. See, I am showing you how much fretfulness and obstinate this child. This child doesn't like to কথা বলার দরকার নেই তোমার। So he can't tolerate to see the other person. So this fretfulness is the symptom of antimonium crudum. The child does not like. If we go through the Mathematica book, we will see that the symptoms is very nicely written. It is peevishness, sadness, child is fretful and peevish, turns itself away, and child cries when touched. The child cries when touched. The child does not like the touch. So this is the characteristic symptom of antimicrobe with aversion to bath and with loss of appetite. Antimicrobe is a medicine, there is loss of appetite, losing of appetite. If we go through the stomach chapter, we will see that there is loss of appetite. See, diminished appetite, and desire for acids. Antimicrobe always prefers desire for acids. আগেই বলেছে এরা টক লেবু এইসব খেতে খুব ভালোবাসত, টক আঙুর, টক লেবু এসব ছিল। So desire for acids and pickles, aversion to bath, and above and over and above this mental fretfulness, cross, obstinacy, and moreover the tongue is white coated. Not, I have seen already, not marked white coated, but there is white coated. জিভটা দেখাও, কিছু বলবো না। জিভটা দেখাও, জিভ বড় করে করো, বড় বড় বড়। A slight white coated tongue, not thick milky white coated like antimicrobe, but there is white coated. But the mental fretfulness, it indicates antimonium crudum. So let's prescribe antimonium 30 few doses, and let's see the result, my friends.
ইয়ে